Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook beef calderita. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We need water and then tomato sauce. We need tomato sauce also. And then onions, bell pepper, garlic, and then the beef, carrots, potatoes, soy sauce, tomato sauce, liver spread, salt, and then black pepper. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then saute the onions. And then we're gonna add the meat, guys. And then soy sauce. And then black pepper. And then guys, we're gonna add water. Okay. And then we're gonna simmer this one. Okay, we're gonna simmer until the meat will become tender. And we'll be right back. Guys. And now we're gonna add the tomato sauce. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna add this liver spread. And then, guys, we're gonna add the carrots and potatoes. And then the bell pepper. Okay. And then we're gonna add just a little water. Okay. And then we'll be right back, guys. We're gonna simmer this one until the potatoes and carrots. Okay, we got our beef calderita is done. Okay, I'm gonna test, guys. I'm gonna taste just a little. Okay, look at that one, guys. Oh, it's nice if you have different colors of bell pepper. Like you have red, green, but that's the only I got, the red one, not super red. Okay, I'm going to taste it. Mm, mm, mm. It's yummy, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Ja, to my Instagram, The underscore Bro underscore Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, Instagram, and to all my accounts, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and then personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.